Welcome to the residence of the Embassy of Colombia in Japan. I am Santiago Pardo, I'm the ambassador, and she's my wife, Antonia.
Hello, we are very happy to have you here.
We're going to show you how we celebrate Christmas in the traditions of Colombia here in Japan. Okay, now please follow us to our dining room. Come. So we had a setting that has two different cultures, the Christmas and Western tradition, and some of our Colombian artifacts.
So here we have some traditional artifact. This boat is called the Iguane boat. It is made of wood, first painted and then crafted. And we have some traditional Christmas decorations, also traditional artifacts from Colombia.
Okay, so in this table setting, we have the Christmas colors, red and green. So from Colombia, maybe you know, Colombia has a very beautiful flowers, and we export a lot of flowers to Japan. Those are roses. That is a very important product in Colombia, a source of income for many families. And here in the back, you can also see carnations. Colombia is the main supplier to carnations to Japan. So even in Christmas, we can have a little bit of our products and our traditions and our culture in this Christmas table. Tamales, it's a very typical dish from all around Colombia. It depends on the region, the ingredients that have inside. Also, it depends on the income of the families, but you can tell that everybody will enjoy a good tamal in Colombia. It's cooked, as you can see, in plantain leaves. It also gives a lot of flavor to the preparation. And inside of it, people can choose what to put. Usually it can be different kind of meats, as pork, beef, or chicken, some vegetables, some potatoes as well. So depending on the region, the ingredients can be different, but it's always very tasty and quite delicious.
A tamal is basically a whole dish packed everything you need for a very hearty and fulfilling Christmas dinner.
We have the pleasure to introduce you to Lucila Ramirez. Lucila is from Colombia. She's our chef here at the residence of the Embassy of Colombia.
we invite all Japanese and Japanese residents to try this delicious recipe this Christmas. Now you know how to do it, and it will bring you a little bit closer to our flavors of Colombia and to the pleasure that we feel around Christmas time in family and with very good food.